Hello students and welcome back. In this video we are going to learn how to add different measurements. ठीक है, तो हम adding measurements करेंगे इस slide में, इस video में. So let's read the question that says Ahmed's pencil is 15 centimeter long and Sarah's pencil is 12 centimeter long. What is the total length of both pencils? यानी total length आपने बतानी है दोनों pencils की. That means it's a question of addition. तो सबसे पहले we are gonna look whether both of these measurements are in the same unit or not. तो हम देखते हैं कि दोनों की measurements जो है वो same unit में, that is in centimeter. तो it's easier and it is possible to add them. ठीक है, so we write over here 15 centimeter and 12 centimeter and we are going to add this. It's I'm just starting with a very simple example ताकि आपको confusion ना हो. Remember centimeter आप as it is unit लिख देंगे. Then we are gonna write the addition part. ठीक है, तो 5 plus 2 is 7 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So we know it's 27 centimeters, but since word problem, तो इसका आंसर हम हमेशा कैसे लिखते हैं? We write it in the form of sentence. So the length of both pencils are 27 centimeter. ठीक है, let's highlight that if we can. Okay, so it's 27 centimeter. ठीक है, so this is the statement form that you can write. Let's look at the other example that says a tailor uses 1 meter and 42 centimeters of clothes to make a shirt for Ali and 1 meter and 20 centimeter to make a shirt for Ahmed. How much cloth will he use in total? यानी आपने इन दोनों को ऐड करके बताना है. रिमेंबर इनमें 2 यूनिट्स यूज हुए हैं तो आपने सेम यूनिट्स को आपस में ऐड करना है. ठीक है, आपने मीटर्स को मीटर में ऐड करना है, सेंटीमीटर्स को सेंटीमीटर में ऐड करना है. सो लेट्स राइट द क्वेश्चन ओवर हियर. दैट इज 1 मीटर एंड 42 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है, और इसी तरह 1 मीटर एंड 20 सेंटीमीटर. इन दोनों को हम ऐड करेंगे. विल राइट the unit over here, that is centimeter. अच्छा जी, 2 plus 0 is 2 and 4 plus 2 is 6, so it's 62 centimeters, right? और अगर हम meters को ऐड करते हैं तो it's 1 plus 1, that is 2 meter. तो इन टोटल दोनों शर्टों को बनाने के लिए टेलर को कितना क्लॉथ चाहिए होगा? The tailor will need 2 meter and 62 centimeter. ठीक है, तो हम लिखते हैं जी total amount of cloth, ठीक है, is 2 meter and 62 centimeter. ठीक है, let's highlight this as well. So this is your answer. Let's move on to the next slide and do the addition part with some more of the units. ठीक है, तो इसमें you can see that we have kilometers and meters. ठीक है, so let's read the question together. And a bus traveled 1 kilometer 380 meters from first stop to second stop. ठीक है, एक स्टॉप से दूसरे स्टॉप पे इतने किलोमीटर्स उसने मीटर्स जो हैं वो ट्रैवल किया. देन इट ट्रैवल्ड 2 किलोमीटर्स एंड 420 meters टू द थर्ड स्टॉप. हाउ मच डिड इट ट्रैवल इन टोटल? इन टोटल मीन्स कि आपने इनको ऐड करके बताना है कि कितना उनका सफ़र तय हुआ. ठीक है, सो वी आर गोइंग टू राइट द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट और just make sure कि जो bigger number है उसको पहले लिखें आप और smaller को बाद में. So we're gonna write the 2 kilometers first. 420 meter. इसी तरह next है 1 kilometer and 380 meter. So let's add these. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 8 is 10. So 0 will be over here and we have to carry forward one number. So what happens is this becomes 5. Okay? 4 plus 1 is 5. Then we have 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. So we have 800 meters. Likewise, we are going to look at this kilometers, and when we add 2 and 1 it becomes 3 kilometers. So how much does the bus have to travel in total? We'll write over here the bus traveled in total is 3 kilometer and 800 meters. Okay, let's move on to the next slide and do some more addition work of the exercise. Okay, let's remember one thing, that 1 meter is actually equals to 100 centimeter. Okay, 1 मीटर में 100 सेंटीमीटर होते हैं. This is the information that we have to keep in mind before we're going to start adding these meters and centimeters. ठीक है, so first one is very easy. 2 plus 3 is 5, so let's write 5 centimeter, and then we have 3 plus 4 is 7 meter. So that was an easy question, right? Next we have 2 meters and 52 centimeter and 8 meters and 19 centimeter. So let's add these. 2 plus 9 is 11. 1 and 1 number will be carried forward. 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So we write 7 over here. So it's 71 centimeter, whereas in meters it's 8 plus 2 and that is 10. So 10 meters and 71 centimeters. Okay, so let's look at the other example, that is 5 meters and 71 centimeter and 1 meter and 12 centimeter. ठीक है, तो it's very easy. 1 plus 2 is 3. 7 plus 1 is 8. ठीक है, 83 centimeter and 5 plus 1 is 6 meter. So this is how you can do the addition of different numbers using the same units. Okay, see you guys in the next video with some more practicing material.